Hi, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button down below to stay updated with my uploads. In this video, I will show you a quick tutorial on how to sell Pepe coin on Huobi Global. Pepe coin is a new meme coin inspired by the popular internet meme of Pepe the Frog. By the way, if you haven't signed up on Huobi Global, check the video description for the sign up link to register and get 3 rewards. 5,672 USDT welcome bonus, 50% off fees up to 30 days, and 10 USDT futures trial bonus. Alright, let's get started. Open your Huobi app account. To sell Pepe coins, you go to the Markets tab. Tap this search logo and search for Pepe. And choose Pepe USDT pairs under spot trading. Click on the trade button. Under the spot tab, you select sell here. This red section shows the sell orders and the green part show the buy orders. The middle part is the current market token price. Keep it under limit order for us to set our own sell price. Here you enter the price you want to sell your Pepe coin. And here you enter the amount of Pepe coin you want to sell. Let me sell all my Pepe coins. Once all is set, you tap on the sell button. Your sell order will usually show under open orders. Once your set sell price is triggered, it will be executed automatically. Let's wait till it gets sold.
A few inches later.
Awesome. My sell order for Pepe coin has been sold completely. To check your recent trade history, you tap here. Here you can see my buy order worth $11 and sold it for $24, though it could have been more if I kept it longer. Anyways, still glad I gained profit from it. That's all for this video. If you have questions, feel free to comment down below, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cryptocurrency video tutorials. See you in my next video.